What is up, guys? It's your girl India back with another video with you guys, and today I'm going to be playing with some slime. I hear my pink slime. Let's get it. Let's get started. So, guys, how I'm gonna be doing it is so I'm just gonna be playing with it. I'm just gonna be talking about stuff. So, how about let's talk about Nadia, my best friend. So she's a really nice girl, and a funny girl. I can tell you that. And this is also a fart slime. Enough to talk about the slime. So this is my best friend Nadia. She's inviting me to her birthday party, and she's giving me the invitation on Tuesday because we have school on Tuesdays. Oh, I forgot to say. So guys, every time me and Nadia make YouTube videos, we are gonna only post on weekends, only on weekends, but not school days, only on weekends. But the days that I'm not gonna be recording on is on Saturdays. I'm not gonna be recording on Saturdays, but I can record on any day else but except for Saturdays. But Nadia is probably not gonna make a video on Saturdays either. And we cannot do it on school days. So yeah. Guys, I have to tell you that my birthday is before Nadia's. Hers is January 26th and mine is January 7th. I would just plop. So you guys can't see my face, but that's fine. So it's nighttime, so that's why you can barely see me, but I have my light on. Woo. I'm gonna see if I can make a bubble. Oh, I halfway made a bubble. So cool. Hamashamakumakumakiki. I'm getting off. Oh, come on. Drop below. Drop below. If you guys know K-pop, please subscribe to them and like and comment to them, especially BTS and Stray Kids, because I love BTS. I mean, I don't love them that much that I'll stalk them. Like, I don't do that stuff. I don't deal with that stuff. But they're cool. I like them. I don't know what I like about them, but I do know at the same time, like, this guy named J-Hope, I am in love. He's my bias, but I'm not in that love that I would stalk him. No, honey, I do not mess with that stuff. So yeah, just telling you my bias in BTS is J-Hope, and my bias in Stray Kids is Han. Everybody says he's ugly. My cousin says he's ugly, but honey, y'all wrong. Y'all just jealous. Oh my. Look at this big bubble. Oh my god. Guys, you cannot tell me that wasn't cool though. I just made a big bubble. And I bet y'all can't do that. I mean, this is kind of good, but not that good as before. I'm gonna move it so I can see the bubble. Ooh, that's much better. Oh, oh well. What is wrong with me? So y'all, I just uploaded a video with my brother. So make sure you guys check it out, subscribe, and hit the like button in the face. The face. So yeah. Table. These bubble making things are easy. No, not that much, but still easy. What is this? This tiny little bubble. Oh, come on. That wasn't even a bubble. So. This is like fart slime. I don't know. Here, wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. I'll be right back. So, guys, every time. Anyways, every time I put the thing, just watch. I'm gonna put the slime in here. So that's what's making me think fart slime. Guys, put in the comments what kind of slime this is, because I'm thinking this is fart slime. Excuse you. Ugh. Okay, anyways. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. So back to Nadia. Nadia is a great friend. What is that? Yeah. It's my turn. The YouTube video. It's my turn. This is the tablet. I'm just doing a YouTube video. No, give me it. So guys, I'm gonna do one more round of this. Wait, and let me see something. Right quick. Guys, I'm back and let me see something again. Watch this, watch this. I say, wait, watch this. Wait, look at this. No, watch this. Watch this. Watch this the whole time. Stop! You messed it up. Watch. So I can get over it. Your breath smell like burnt popcorn. Because I ate burnt popcorn. That's disgusting. You're disgusting. Oh, wait. Wait, no. Watch. Just watch. Watch and look. Go. What did I just witness and smell? Isaiah, stop. That stinks, actually.
Burnt popcorn is actually good.
No, it's disgusting. Stop! Can you look? Can you look?
I'm looking.
Move so I can do it.
Oh, yeah, so cool.
What?
So cool.
Wait, no!
Can I get that tablet now?
Wait, one more round of showing you. Then I'm gonna end this video.
No.
No! Stop.
Just kidding.
Stop for you knock it down. You're gonna knock the tablet down. It's gonna break. Have you took your vitamins
No.
today?
Burnt popcorn with vitamins actually tastes good.
You saw that?
Yes.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
What
I did.
was I about to do?
You flipped it.
And what was it gonna make?
Popcorn.
No. Popcorn.
Yes.
Okay, look.
That's seriously.
No, one more time. One more time.
Give me the tablet.
One time. You saw it? You see the bubble? Okay, so guys, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the like button in the face and comment down below. Whatever. Is this fart slime or a different